In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly step by step. If you've ever wanted to improve your writing through an easy to use online tool, then you're in the right place. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your writing skills in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly and press enter. This will lead you to various Grammarly links, but what you're looking for is the official Grammarly website. Click on that link, which should take you directly to the site's homepage. Once you're on the Grammarly website, you're going to find a button that says Get Grammarly. This is the option you'll select to begin the setup process. Clicking this button will direct you to a page where you can either sign up for a new account or sign in if you already have one. For those new to Grammarly, click on the sign up option. Fill in your details. This typically involves entering your email address and creating a password. For those who already have an account, simply proceed to log in using your credentials. Now that you're signed in, you'll arrive at Grammarly's dashboard. The next thing you'll want to do is head to the Apps section, where you have the option to install Grammarly's desktop app for Windows. If you're using a Windows PC, click on Install for Windows to start downloading the application. While waiting for the download to complete, consider installing Grammarly as a browser extension. Start by selecting Install for Chrome if you're using Google Chrome. This will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store, where you need to click Add to Chrome and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. After installation, be sure to pin Grammarly to your browser extensions for quick access. With Grammarly installed, open a new Google Doc or any text editing tool you prefer. You'll notice a Grammarly icon, usually on the bottom right of the text box. Click on it and watch as Grammarly begins to work. It will start offering you suggestions to improve your text. These suggestions are incredibly helpful, focusing on grammatical errors, punctuation, style improvements, and readability enhancements. Simply click on a suggestion to apply it to your text. You can do this for each suggestion as Grammarly makes improvements seamlessly. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've set up Grammarly and are on your way to writing with improved clarity and precision. This process has equipped you with a valuable tool that helps catch mistakes you might otherwise miss, giving your writing that polished, professional touch. Enjoy your writing journey with Grammarly.